Hello everyone, if you're trying to install Minecraft on your phone and you keep getting this error, app not installed as package conflicts with an existing package, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Minecraft easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to download this APK editor on your phone. So I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. So once it's done downloading, you're going to install it, and after you're done installing it, you're going to open it up, and here you're going to click onto APK file. And now you're going to go to your Minecraft's APK. So just browse to your Minecraft's APK, click on it, and then click common edit here. And now what you need to do is you need to change the package name to something else. So just add any text into the package name. I'm going to write 123 on here for now, and then click save, and then it will start working on our APK. So just wait for it. And it's done. Now you're just going to click on to install here, and then it's going to stage your APK. So just wait for it. Click install here, and now Minecraft will start installing on our phone, and it's done. Minecraft just got installed on our phone. Now our phone will scan the Minecraft APK to see if it's legit, and as you can see it's legit. Now we can go ahead and play Minecraft on our phone. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.